Hi friends, Nicola from Adisoft. In this video we will show you how to change the colors based on an attribute, both in the symbology and in the attribute table. And now we will add, of course, the parameters that will allow us to change in Qgis. They're grouped by layers. We go to the layer of the background, as you can see here. We delete these two. These are unnecessary elements. And this one we change to fill. Maybe we copy this because we will need it later. And stroke will be outline. And stroke width will be outline width. As for all of these, they will be outline. That's it. Save it, open the next one. And we continue doing that for all of the objects. We will load the SVG files in Qgis. This is our project. And we have, of course, our objects here, and we will just change the, for now we will change the symbols. For this one we will use, say, which one we will use? Obviously this one, and change the outline to in pixels. It's okay. I can change it to 1 pixel even, but it's okay right now. 6.5, and the color will be, we can control both colors. The background color can be some yellowish like this, and this color can be something less aggressive like this one. We'll use it again. Let's make it 50% gray, and place it here. Okay. Notice that this parameter controls the outline as well. And okay. Next one, we have the antique village. We will again use the village. It's this one, and this will be in pixels, of course. The colors will again be the same. And that's about it. Historical place, we'll use the same one. I will just change the fill to white, and the outline to the same color. This one will again choose the house from our objects and change the outline, something grayish, and this will be in pixels, 1 pixel. Same thing, and we continue doing that for all objects, of course. And that's it. By clicking apply, we will of course change all elements. I will show you how they look like now. You see, every object has its place on the map, and to show you in bigger scale, I will have to disable the the rendering from scale based. Let's see. Let's disable it for now. And you can see everything is exactly as it should be. We have all of our objects placed, and we can of course change the colors based on an attribute. In this case, the attribute that controls these objects, I will just look at it's this one, this column in the attribute table. That means if I go to an object and change, let's say this one, go into the attribute table, and if I change this to this one, you'll see the result. Of course it changes. And if I change, for instance, this one to be the antique village from the antiquity, we'll just see the result again. And this will change the color as well, because I defined two colors. And that's it, it became yellow. You see, it's very simple to change this. And we of course can use a different element. For this one we can choose the other one and use the same parameters. Let's say we choose the ancient village, this one, and we use this fill and this color. And that's it. That's basically it. We save the visibility and we just created our plan with completely different symbology. If we load all layers, you will see that they are visible even in this scale, perfectly in 25. So thanks for watching. It's Nicola from Adisoft signing off. This is how to create SVG files in Inkscape and then change the coding so that they are modifiable in Qgis with Notepad++ or any other text document file, and then load them in Qgis and change their appearance based on another attribute. See you in the next video. Have a good day.